When you think about sending money abroad, speed, reliability, and low cost matter the most. You know, these are the things that really make a difference. The MoneyGram app has emerged as a top choice for people who want to transfer funds instantly and securely to the Philippines. Whether you are supporting your family, paying for services, or managing urgent expenses, the app provides a smooth way to send funds directly from your smartphone. It's just so convenient. Using the MoneyGram app to transfer to the Philippines is simple. You just need to download the app, sign up, verify your identity, and choose the receiver details. The money can be sent either directly to a bank account, a mobile wallet, or picked up at thousands of cash pickup locations across the Philippines. It's really that straightforward. Now let's uncover the 5 important things you must know before making your transfer to the Philippines with the MoneyGram app. This is going to be useful, trust me. So here's something pretty cool. The app gives you a real-time peso conversion rate before you hit confirm, which means you always know exactly how much your family will receive. Oh, and get this, for certain transfers above $200, MoneyGram offers 0 transfer fees on selected weekends, so you can actually save a bit extra. Alright, so for those sending money to the Philippines, there are some exclusive codes you can use. Try MG525 to get $25 off your first transfer above $300. And hey, there are other working promo codes too, like Phil0, MGSave15, Cash2Phil, and MGFwin. You just need to apply these within the app at checkout. MoneyGram, honestly, gives you a lot of flexibility. Your receivers can collect cash at Cebuana Lhuillier, Palawan Pawnshops, SM branches, and even major banks. Plus, if they prefer mobile wallets, GCash is an option too. Oh, and here's something super useful. The app sends SMS updates for every step of the transaction. That way, your receiver in the Philippines always knows exactly when the money is available. Using these features, you not only ensure safety, but also enjoy cost savings on every international transfer. With instant credit to bank accounts and thousands of pickup points, MoneyGram makes sure your loved ones never face delays.